Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to go over how to install these rear paracord grab handles. So stay tuned to this video and we'll show you how to get these installed. So to install these rear paracord grab handles, you'll need a few tools to get this done. You'll need a 10mm socket and a ratchet or a 10mm nut driver. So to get these installed, you'll need to remove the 10mm bolts up here in the roll bar, and they're quite long. So it'll take a little bit to get these out, but we'll go ahead and get that started and then we'll install the rear handles. So this is the first one, and get out the second one. And here's the second one. So in order to install these, first we'll take the handle and we'll put the nut through the loop, and we'll put it down all the way till it's seated against the washer, and then we will reinsert the bolt into the roll bar. And then we can go ahead and do the other side as well. Just slip it through and seat it until it is against the washer. And insert the bolt and just hand tighten it a little bit before we can get our ratchet. And then we'll tighten it down. videos. We'll see you next time.